Okay, so this is the first setup that happened on Monday. Uh, Going into the day, I was short term bearish and long term bullish. The reason for that is we have a lot of low resistance liquidity, also unmitigated 1 hour, 4 hour gaps, this new day opening gap. But my overall objective is going to be all time highs all the way over here. And going into market open, my plan was that 9:30 opens higher, manipulates into this 1 hour for value gap in premium, by the way, and we get a nice stop rate. And we're targeting this low resistance liquidity, this major sell side, before price rebalances into higher time frame gaps, where we can look for a price discovery or distribution higher. And that's basically exactly what happened. So market opens at 9:30 higher, generating more liquidity, while we get an internal stop rate or manipulation, and we get an inverse fair value gap, and then we sweep low resistance liquidity, and then we could also target major sell side liquidity. So this is where I took a short position, having my stop loss over here at the swing low, and my take profit all the way down here. And honestly, this is a good setup, but it just ended up failing. And the reason that it did fail is because price was just bullish. And I did know that we were going to be bullish, but it's just like I wanted to trade the high time frame manipulation before we see rebalance in price higher. For Tuesday, my bias is bearish, especially because we're sweeping major buy side liquidity, and then we're starting to displace lower, disrespecting bullish gaps and respecting bearish gaps. So right here, we create a 1 hour inverse fair value gap, and 9:30 opens. We open higher, manipulate into a 1 hour fair value gap, and what happens is we make equal lows with major sell side liquidity, and we're just generating liquidity on the way. So this just means that we're likely to go lower from here, and we get a nice inversion. And you can take a short position here, having your stop loss be at this protected high, because it's a high that swept another high, set a fair value gap. And the biggest question is that we're going to be asking is my stop loss more protected than my take profit? And in this case, it is. So if I just replay price here, that's exactly what happens, and we hit our take profit. So a nice, clean, almost 3R position right here on the day. And it's a little banger. Okay, so Wednesday was no trade day. It was very choppy, just chopped. And then going into Thursday, my bias is again bearish, because there's a lot of unmitigated draws to target below. So those are like swing points, as well as unmitigated gaps as well. And so as market opens at 9:30, we kind of go up, manipulate into an unmitigated 1 hour gap, and we sweep major relative equal highs. And then we get a nice 1 minute inversion, and then we can look to target the low resistance liquidity. So this is like a nice open low high close setup, and then it also aligned with our bias. So if I played this out, right now it's just chopping, but I probably would have just gone out take profit right there. Especially we just inverse this gap, and also I'm short term bearish, but still high time frame bullish, because we're gonna distribute higher, and then take out all time highs as well.